In a country in lockdown, the dead are buried without relatives to mourn them. In this cemetery in Barcelona, just a solitary priest is present to pay last respects. A fate awaiting hundreds as the death toll continues to climb across Spain. In the capital of the country, hospitals are reaching full capacity. Here the halls and waiting rooms are packed, standing room only, as they wait for someone to treat them. In another Madrid hospital, patients lie on the floor because there are no beds left. Jose Cabanas, whose mother is still in hospital in Barcelona, says staff there told him the pressure is relentless.
Someone said to me that when they had the terror attacks, it was a moment they had a lot of people arriving at the same time, but that was it. And now it's a constant flow, and they have difficulty managing it.
How did Spain become one of the worst affected countries? This may have played a key role. Thousands of Spanish football fans travelling to Bergamo in Italy for the Atalanta-Valencia game on February the 19th. The city's mayor called the game the bomb that exploded the virus. With cheery music, the Spanish government is releasing footage of field hospitals being built, but also fighting allegations it didn't see this outbreak coming early enough or do enough to stop it.
The
increase in fatalities today is not statistically higher than we've seen 2 days ago, which was showing a more stable tendency which continues despite today's increase.
More and more doctors and nurses are becoming infected. Radiologist Sergio Del Rio is recovering in isolation and says the health system has seen nothing like it.
We're having cases of patients dying in our hands, but in absolute solitude. These patients have to be completely isolated, and they're dying in the hands of the doctors. And us healthcare workers have to go home in fear of transmitting the virus to our families. The situation has got the better of us. I've never seen so much fear in either the faces of the patients or the healthcare workers.
So many are dying in Madrid, the city's ice rink has become its morgue. The lorries arrive bearing the dead with grim frequency. Dominic Waghorn, Sky News.